welcome to tonight's lightning pool draw. Today I'm doing overtime right now because I'm just doing something. And another project. But to be honest though, it doesn't really help. First ball out, number 81. Second ball out, number 55. Third ball out, number 26. Fourth ball out, number 29. Fifth ball out, number 84. Sixth and final number is number 21. And the lightning ball is 13. Unlucky number. Those numbers again in ascending order are 21, 26, 29, 55, 81, and 84. And the lightning ball is 13. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for tonight's Game Centre Daily Lesson Blank Documents Bingo Draw and Spin the Wheel draws. Bye for now.